You know how we always call AI a black box? We feed it a prompt, it spits out an answer, but we have basically zero clue what actually happened inside. Well, Google DeepMind just cracked that box wide open. They've released something called Gemma Scope 2. Think of it as a high-powered microscope, but instead of looking at bacteria, it's looking at the brain of their new Gemma 3 models. This isn't just a dashboard with some graphs, it is a massive open-source suite of interpretability tools, specifically things called sparse autoencoders. Here is why that matters. Usually, if an AI makes a mistake or gets tricked, we just have to guess why. But with GemmaScope 2, researchers can actually see the internal computations. You can literally trace which neurons fire when the model is thinking about a specific concept, like a scam or a math problem. And this is a game changer for safety, specifically regarding jailbreaks. If a user tries to trick the model into doing something dangerous, a jailbreak, researchers don't have to just look at the bad output and shrug. They can now watch the internal thought process as it happens. They can see the exact moment the model's safety guardrails failed and why it decided to bypass its own rules. It also helps with those weird edge cases where the model hallucinates or glitches out. You can finally debug the model's logic, not just its output. The best part? It's completely open source. They've released tools for the entire Gemma 3 family, from the tiny models up to the massive 27 billion parameter ones. So we aren't just building smarter AI anymore. We're finally starting to understand it.